video on data visualization and infographics. In today's lesson, we will explore 3 essential aspects of creating effective visual representations of data. We'll begin by discussing the fundamentals of data visualization, followed by tips for creating compelling infographics, and finally, we will look at some tools that can help you bring your data visualizations and infographics to life. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding the core principles behind data visualization. Data visualization is the process of transforming raw data into visual formats, such as graphs, charts, and diagrams, which make the information easier to understand. It is crucial for data analysis because it allows us to identify patterns, trends, and insights that might not be apparent from raw data alone. Data visualizations serve several functions. Descriptive summarizes the main features of data, giving an overview of key information. Explanatory conveys specific messages or arguments based on the data. Interactive allows users to manipulate the data, filter it, or drill down for more details. Evaluative compares or contrasts different data points or groups to assess performance. Different types of visualizations serve different purposes. Bar charts, best for comparing categorical data. Line charts are ideal for showing trends over time. Pie charts, useful for displaying proportions or percentages. Scatter plots reveal correlations between variables. Histograms show the frequency distribution of data. Box plots summarize statistics for continuous variables. Good data visualizations follow basic design principles. Clarity. Ensure that the message is clear by using appropriate scales, axes, and labels. Accuracy. Avoid distortions and misrepresentations of data to maintain the truthfulness of the message. Simplicity. Remove unnecessary elements and avoid clutter to keep the focus on the data. Consistency. Maintain a coherent style across multiple visualizations to improve readability. Balance. Use white space, symmetry, and alignment to create a harmonious design. The ultimate goal of data visualization is to enhance data comprehension. It leverages our visual perception to make complex data more accessible and intuitive, helping us to make informed decisions based on the insights gained. Now that we understand data visualization, let's focus on creating effective infographics. Infographics are graphical representations designed to convey complex information or data in a visually appealing and easily digestible way. They help tell a story or explain a concept by using visual elements like icons, charts, and minimal text. This is why they are effective at communicating information quickly. Key elements of an infographic. Purpose. Clearly define the objective and target audience for your infographic. Knowing what you want to communicate and to whom helps you craft a more focused message. Content. Select only the most relevant and important facts or figures. Organize the information logically, ensuring it supports the overall message of the infographic. Format. Choose the appropriate type of infographic, e.g., statistical, informational comparison, based on the data and the story you want to tell. Style. Use design elements such as color, fonts, and images strategically to make the infographic both attractive and functional. Colors should guide the reader's attention, and the layout should make the content easy to follow. The use of colors, shapes, and icons can significantly enhance the appeal of an infographic. These elements engage the viewer's attention and improve the retention of information. Visuals make the content more memorable and impactful, especially when conveying complex data. One of the main advantages of infographics is that they simplify large amounts of data. By distilling the most critical points, you can help the audience quickly grasp key information without overwhelming them. This is especially useful in fields like marketing, education, and journalism. Consistency in design across multiple infographics is essential, especially for branding purposes. Ensure that you use the same color palette, typography, and layout across all infographics to maintain a cohesive and professional look. This will also reinforce your brand identity. Finally, let's explore some popular tools you can use to create both data visualizations and infographics. Tableau is a powerful, user-friendly tool designed for creating interactive data visualizations. It can connect to various data sources like Excel, SQL databases, and cloud services, enabling users to create dashboards, charts, maps, and more. Tableau is suitable for both beginners and experts thanks to its drag and drop interface and advanced scripting options. However, it requires a paid license and does not support the creation of infographics. Dundas BI is a web-based platform that allows users to transform, analyze, and visualize data. Like Tableau, it supports a variety of visualizations but does not offer tools specifically for creating infographics. Dundas BI is more suitable for businesses looking to integrate interactive dashboards into their data processes. Jupyter is an open source tool designed for data analysis and visualization using code. It supports various programming languages like Python and R, and it allows users to create complex visualizations with libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. Jupyter is ideal for users who prefer coding and need customizable, detailed visualizations. However, it lacks a graphical interface and is better suited for technical users. Canva and Piktochart are both user-friendly tools specifically designed for creating infographics. Canva offers a range of templates, icons, and design elements, making it easy to create visually appealing infographics without any design experience. Piktochart is another excellent tool, particularly for creating infographics with data visualizations. Both tools are ideal for non-technical users looking to create professional-looking visuals. The best tool depends on your data and your goals. For complex data visualizations, tools like Tableau or Jupyter are more suitable. However, if your goal is to create an infographic that communicates data visually in an engaging way, Canva and Piktochart offer the best options. Always consider your audience, the complexity of your data, and the purpose of your visual when selecting a tool.
To summarize, today we explored the fundamentals of data visualization, shared tips for creating effective infographics, and introduced tools that can help you design both. Remember, whether you are creating a detailed data analysis or a simple infographic, clarity, accuracy, and design are key to effective communication. Thank you for joining with me in this lesson, and I hope these tools and tips will help you present your data more effectively.